In this video, I want to show you how to create a private Telegram channel. That is how you can create a Telegram channel that is private on Telegram. So how do you do that? The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Telegram app. So let's open up my Telegram. So guys, once you open up your Telegram, then the next thing you want to do here, if you check the top right corner, you are going to see a pencil icon over there. I want you to tap on that pencil icon. So once you tap on that pencil icon, it will bring up this page for you. So on this page, I want you to tap on new channel. So once you tap on new channel, it will bring out some things for you to confirm if truly you want to create this channel. So you just want to tap on create channel again. So once you tap on create channel again, then you want to put in the channel name you want. Let's just put in anything random here. So once you put in any name you want to use, then check the top right corner. You're going to see next over there. Just tap on that next. So once you tap on the next, this Telegram channel will be created successfully. So how do you make this private? If you check here very well, you can see under channel type, we have two main categories that you can choose from. We have public and we have private. What this public means is this: whenever you create a public channel, everyone will be able to join this channel without your permission. But whenever you create a private channel, this will not occur to your contact. Nobody will be able to join this channel unless they have a sure link to the channel. So you just want to select private. Then under the private, you can see it says invite link. This is the actual link that people will be using to join your channel, that you can actually copy and share to people if you want them to join your channel. So guys, once you have selected private and you have the link already under here, then you want to tap on next at the top right corner. Once you tap on this next, this private channel will be created successfully. So which means anyone that wants to join this channel will need a link from you before they can join. So guys, this is how to create a private Telegram channel on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.